Alright, now since Thanksgiving is around the corner and it's time to invite your best friends and family members for a nice happy meal, I would love to start my first episode of Simple Gourmet Sugar and Spice, something special for the Thanksgiving. Very easy to make dishes, simple, and I bet you will enjoy it with your friends and family. Chicken or turkey is a must for Thanksgiving, but I'm putting up a very simple chicken dish. We are having some juicy, cheesy mushroom here on the platter. A very simple salad, which is with watermelon, scoops, and feta cheese. And we always need to end the meal with something scrumptious and sweet. So I have here one of the most simplest 3-layer dessert and topped with maltas for a nice meal. I hope you enjoy watching this episode and you are joining me on the way to cook all this amazing food in just a few minutes. Bye. See you soon.